Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll create Dofollow backlinks from two high authority websites. Watch the whole video, don't skip, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Our first website is this one. And the DR of this website is 79. Have 7.8 million backlinks and 22k linking websites. Go to this website. Go to sign up and fill up these details. Go to your email and confirm the link. Okay, this is our dashboard. And now go to events here. Create an event. And then I'll add my website name. Add a short description. And then add your bio here. Now you have to add your link here. Click on generate markdown. Copy this and paste it here. I'll go to preview. You can see my both URLs are here. And set your dates. Choose your location. And then continue. Go live. View event. So here's our page. And here are my backlinks. And these are Dofollow. You can see here's a Dofollow backlink. You can change your logo and banner. Save changes. Save changes. So this is my page. This is our first website. Now let's move on to second website. Themeler.io, and the DR of this website is 84 domain rating. It have 12 million backlinks and 5.7k linking websites. Now you have to go to this URL, answers.themeler.io. Go to this URL and then register, fill up the details. And then go to profile. I'll add my name here. And then website link. You can add your location if you like. And then save. Now go to your email and confirm the link. Okay, it's confirmed. Refresh this page. Now this is my profile. I have to change my name here. For that, go to profile again, public name, save. And now you have to find your profile URL. For that, what I'll do, I'll just add here users slash and then your username, your and tips. So here's my profile. Let me check on some other window. Here's my backlink. I'll say do follow. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video. In our next video, we'll discuss some more topic related to SEO, backlinks and indexing. Till then, see you and take care.